Introducing our pick and place case packer designed for daily necessities. Equipped with 2 infeed ports and 2 pick and place gripper heads, the system efficiently sorts products with the help of a diverter. The gripping method uses reliable suction cups, and all gripper heads are powered by full servo drives for precise and smooth operation. This system is built for fast, accurate packing, providing advantages in speed, increased output, and optimized packaging for the industry. For more information, feel free to contact us directly through the methods below.